Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out certain information about particular body parts on the Complete Anatomy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Go to the Atlas section and select a model. Down below in the left side corner of the screen, you can select from female, male models and detailed ones as well. Tap on a relevant one, and once it is loaded in, you will be able to check out certain body parts and information. So just select one of these options, connective, muscular, arterial, venous, lymphatic, and so on. Then zoom in and tap on a relevant body part. Here you can find its name. In this case it's the right arm. Tap on the info button, and here you can check out the arrangement and its function, dermatomes, and references can be checked out also. Here you can find out the cross sections, the models can be selected too, and other features can be checked out too. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.